Okay, we're just going to get a little intuitive idea about this, and we'll talk about this more in our applications chapter. 2 chapters away, don't get too worried, just try to get some sense of understanding. In practical terms, what does it mean to say f prime at 1,000 is equal to 9? Well, f prime at 1,000 means what is the change in the cost divided by the change in the yards when x is equal to 1,000. If the answer is 9, that means we've got 9 over 1, a rise of 9 for a run of 1. $9 more for 1 more yard. Which means if I'm a manufacturing and I want to make 1 more yard of fabric, at this point in my production level, it's going to cost me $9 more. So let's just write that out. If I manufacture 1 more yard of fabric, it will cost $9 more. Okay, then this is just an intuitive a question. Please don't get hung up on which is the right answer. We'll just talk through some of the reasons behind it. What do you think is greater, f prime at 50 or f prime at 500? Well, I'm just going to write down my answer here. F prime at 50, and then we'll talk about it, would be bigger than f prime at 500. Okay, why might that be? Well, every manufacturer has some fixed cost and some optimum level of production where all of the pieces are being used to the best of their ability and not sitting idle. So if I'm producing a very, very small amount of fabric, it's probably not very efficient. So my marginal cost will be higher here than it will here. However, if I get to a very high level of production, like let's say 5,000 yards of fabric, then it's possible that now my marginal cost is getting bigger. Because if I start producing lots and lots and lots, then things get a little bit inefficient, as in machines break down. I don't have enough room in the factory to produce this much, so I have to put on an overtime shift. So this could be the case. Why would this happen? Well, if inefficiencies I can't spell, sorry. Inefficient due to too large of a scale, i.e. we've got some breakdowns, we have to pay overtime, etc. Okay, and in manufacturing, you're trying to find out where is the best place to set your production level. Why would this one be a higher marginal cost? Well, manufacturing, why would this be a lower marginal cost? Because we're making better use of our fixed cost. Okay, so get started on this homework. I'm going to get you to do some examples for me on the board, and I'll be marking them tomorrow. Have fun.